In this video, you'll learn how to add a Zoom link in Calendly so that every meeting you schedule can automatically include a Zoom video conferencing link. This is really helpful if you run a lot of virtual meetings and want to avoid manually pasting Zoom details into each event. First, make sure you're logged in to your Calendly account in a web browser. It's much easier to follow along on a desktop or laptop since you'll be navigating a few settings. Once you're on your Calendly dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with where things are. You should see options to manage your event types, your availability, and various account settings. To connect Zoom, you'll need to go into the area where Calendly keeps all of its apps and connections. Look toward the main navigation menu for something labeled Apps and Integrations. Depending on your account layout, this might appear in a top menu, a side menu, or under a Settings or Integrations option. Go ahead and select Apps and Integrations. This is where Calendly lets you connect to tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and other services that enhance your scheduling experience. Once the Apps and Integrations page opens, you'll see a list of available tools you can connect to your Calendly account. Scan through the list until you find Zoom. If there's a search bar, you can simply type Zoom to locate it more quickly. When you see Zoom in the list, click on it to open the Zoom integration details. On the Zoom integration page, you'll see an option that says Connect Zoom. Click the Connect Zoom button. At this point, Calendly will redirect you to Zoom's sign-in or authorization page. If you're not already signed into Zoom, enter your Zoom account credentials there. If you're already signed in, you may just see a prompt asking you to authorize Calendly to access your Zoom account. Carefully review the permissions Calendly is requesting. These usually allow Calendly to create Zoom meetings on your behalf, which is exactly what you want, so that each scheduled event can have its own unique Zoom link. When you're comfortable with the permissions, click to authorize or allow access. After you approve the connection, you'll be redirected back to Calendly. You should now see that Zoom is connected to your account. Often there will be a confirmation message or a status indicator showing that the integration is active. If you don't see that right away, try refreshing the page and checking again that Zoom appears as connected or enabled under Apps and Integrations. From here, Zoom will be available as a location option when you set up or edit your event types in Calendly. When you choose Zoom as the meeting location for an event type, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom link each time someone books that type of meeting with you. This means less manual work, fewer copy and paste errors, and a smoother experience for your guests. That's all you need to do. Select Apps and Integrations, click on Zoom, and then click Connect Zoom, following the prompts to authorize the connection. Once that's done, your Zoom and Calendly accounts are working together behind the scenes, so you can focus on your meetings instead of the setup.